This is the video lesson for cello, for Chilly Willy. So to start out, we have 4 A's in a row on your open string, then 2 D's on your open string, and then 1 finger on the D for that E. So just like that. So right after that, we have those A's inside of that 8th note, but we make sure we're swinging those. So instead of it being 1 and 2 and, or pepperoni, just like that, it needs to be da 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 da. You can practice along with that. That kind of a rhythm. So it's a little bit longer on the first one than it is on the second one. Just like that. So that whole sequence is kind of weird because we have 2 beats of rest at the end. So if I count this, it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and we only have 1 beat there to get back and play the same thing that we just played. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1. Just like that. And then, right after that, we have our open string half note section, and we also have an E in there. So, right at measure 13, we have half notes. Now these are 2 beats apiece. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. And then we go over to the D string, play that E the next time around. So it's D, A, E, A. Just like that. And then we cover that E again on the D string and play that same rhythm. 4, 1. Just like that. With the 1 beat to get back into it. So it sounds like this. Right at measure 13, going into measure 17. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Just like that. And we have 2 measures of rest after that. And then we get the tremolo near the tip part. So this is on your open A. Make sure you're near the tip of your bow for this. It's going to be very hard and not sound very good down here at all. It's going to get really scratchy. But if you're out here, it's a lot easier. Just tiny little hand motions, the least amount of arm that you can use inside of it. More like that. If you get really tight in your arm and you use a lot of arm, you're going to get tired really fast. You want to use just your hand as much as you possibly can in little shaking motions in order to play this so you can play it for a while without getting tired. And we play that for 8 full counts. So I count it in sets of 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, off. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have rest after that. Right after that, we play all the same stuff that we played at the top. You can compare it. You can look at it and compare it and see which part's which. After that, all the way down to measure 49, the very last line of the piece, we have that 8th note swung rhythm again. That's going to be A's and B's. So it's kind of like your pepperoni, pepperoni. Just like you did in Kids Rock, but now you just swing it. Like that. We end with a couple E's. And then you go E, E, A at the very end. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So that very last measure altogether, or I'm sorry, last line, not last measure, sounds like this. Just make sure you take that rest on the third beat of that second to last measure. And that's all there is to it.